Let's learn about website menu. Virtually every website in the world has a menu like this, or like this, and this. This is called the navigation menu, and sometimes on your mobile you see an icon like this, which represents the menu. You could also have footer menu, such as this, or a side menu, or vertical menu. But usually we don't see this so often anymore. Now let's look at how to manage your menu on WordPress. Under Appearance, click on Menus. This is where you get to add, edit, and delete your menu. On the right here is how your menu currently looks like. It's called Primary Menu, and it has two items, Home and Blog, just like here. So what you could do here is you could add more items on this menu from here. Here you could add a page, a post, a custom link, or even categories. Now let's just go ahead and add a page. Let's just add this page, About Us, and click on Add to Menu. Then you could rearrange the order of this item here by moving it up and drop it. Then remember to click Save to save it, and return and refresh. Now you have a new menu item called About Us here. Click on it, then it will link to your About Us page, which is the page that we created previously. Return. Let's add another one called Contact Us. You could also move this menu here and make it a sub-item of this About Us item, like a sub-menu. Click Save, and let's see how it looks like. You see that? So now Contact Us is right below this About Us item, like this. You could further create sub-items of the sub-item. For instance, you could add menu. Let's add this post and drag it and drop it here. But it's not recommended to have too many subs under a menu. It's just hard to navigate for your user. I'm just going to demonstrate here. If you return, and if you just, sometimes it's very hard to navigate, especially when you're using your touchpad. So it's preferably that you don't have too many sub-items under a menu. So now let's just demonstrate how to delete this. Click on this down arrow and click Remove. Now let's rearrange this to down here and click Save. You could further add a custom link if you want to. You could just define a link address here and the text that you want to add. Say, for instance, you want to link this to another different website. Say, just for example, I'm just going to link to this website. Paste. And call it sportscoaching101.com, or just sportscoaching101. Click Add to Menu. and save, return and refresh. There you have it. If you click on it, it links to that website. As simple as that. Now let's just remove this because this is quite irrelevant to our current website, and click Save again. Auto Add Pages automatically add new top-level pages to this menu. What it means is, whenever you create a new page, that new page will be automatically added into this menu here. So we're just going to uncheck this. And where is the location that you want to display this menu would be the primary menu, which is also the primary menu that has been designated by this Serif Lite theme, the current theme that we're using right now. Click Save. Next, let's look at how to create a new menu. Click on this link, Create a New Menu. And this is where you get to create a new menu from scratch. Let's call it Secondary Menu. And click Create Menu. Again, you can drag and drop items on the left to the right to build your menu, and you could even replace this menu as your primary menu. So let's just go ahead and try this out. Let's just add all these pages. And then check this box to display this secondary menu on the primary menu location. Let's just add a post here and click Save. Return and refresh to see the results. There you have it. You could also manage the location of your menus. On this tab, Manage Locations, click on it. You could assign what menu you want to place on the primary menu location, which is defined by your current theme. So I could select if I want to show the primary menu or the secondary menu. If you wish to delete a menu that you created, just scroll down and click on this Delete Menu link and click OK.